Hello my loves and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing a Sephora Play unboxing. First I will start with a review of the last box. If you're interested in a video like this, then go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, so in case you don't know, Sephora Play is a monthly subscription box from Sephora. It is $10 a month and you get 5 travel size or sample size products, and then you get one extra product, which is usually either a hair care item or a hair care or a perfume sample. I prefer the perfume samples myself. Last month's box was Beauty for Self-Care. And the first item we had was this NARS lipstick in Toledo. And this is what it looks like. And I actually really enjoyed this. I actually wore this yesterday. It was in my bag, which is another video I'm going to be doing today. But yeah, so I really enjoyed that. The next item was this Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I haven't had a chance to try this yet. I'm still using my other moisturizers, and I like to use them up before I try something else. So that is in my extras drawer at the moment. Then we had the Lancome Hypnose Drama Instant Full Body Mascara. I forgot about this. I forgot to put this in my rotation. So I just took out my other mascara. So I just put this into my rotation for my everyday makeup. And I will talk to you about it on the first when I shop my stash. Next, oh, come on. Next we have a puppy. Hi, baby girl. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi. Oh, hi. Yes, I missed you too. I know. All right, next we have the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. And that's what that looks like. And this I really like too. Like, it just gives you a really nice tint to the lips. I really enjoyed this. I was really surprised by it. And next we have this Cicapair Derma Green Solution. I've only used this once. I only used it today, so I really can't give it a thorough review yet, but I will give you that review as soon as I have that. And then last but not least was the Black Opium Eau de Perfume. It's in this because it's in like a little like squeezy tube, and I don't like those, so I put it in here. But yeah, so that was last month's. So that was last month's box. Let's go ahead and get into this month's box. Right, so when you open up your Sephora Play, this is what it looks like. And it says, and the Play Award goes to, and it has all this fun stuff on the front. You know, this is my second month without anything, without a card. All right, I don't want to look at what's on the inside yet because that tells you everything that's in the box, and I don't want to know yet. Bye, Vixen. All right, so this is what the bag looks like, and I love these bags. And then you have the inside of the box. That's what it looks like, in case you wanted to know. All right, so first we have, so this is probably our extra product. This is the Amika 3D Volume and Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. Volume is not quite an issue I have, so I probably, well, I'll use it either way, but it's not something that my hair needs. Next we have, ooh, a squeezy tube. So next we have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is funny, I just got this in a full size in my BoxyCharm this month. But yeah, I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but I can't wait to try it. I've heard great things about it. Then we have, what is this? Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. Smoothing Brightening Powder Exfoliant. Achieve brighter, smoother skin every day with this iconic exfoliating power. Dispense into wet hands and create a paste. Massage onto clean face. Oh, okay. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, okay. So it's a powder. You can see inside it that it's a powder. Interesting. I can't wait to try that. Next we have the Wander Lip Tree Oil. Well, I think that sounds awesome. And Skinny Dip. Oh, it's a color. Don't come out. So that's the color right there. I'm very excited to try that. Next we have the Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. Ooh, nice. Oh, it's one of these brushes. I'm not sure I'm going to like this. I don't care for these brushes all that much, but I will give it a try. And last but not least, we have the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Golden Pink, which sounds like something I will love. I can get it out. If that looks like that's what the color is. That's what it looks like. And, ooh, that is very pretty. And that's what it looks like swatched. That is absolutely gorgeous. Vixen, stop. I love that. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Come here. So, oh, I gotcha. All right, so that is everything that was in my Sephora play. So, I am definitely happy with this month's box. The only thing I really wasn't super interested in was the hair care, which is the extra item, so I'm not really worried about that. So why don't we go ahead and open up the pamphlet and see what it tells us about each item. Alright, so the first item is the Smashbox Mascara. Your Lashes #1 fan. This light lengthening mascara delivers lift and volume that lasts up to 12 hours. Alright, next we have the Lip Treatment Oil, and it says roll out the red carpet for this standout oil in a pretty pink shade that nurtures lips and delivers a glossy finish. Then we have the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. This shimmering pinky peach eyeshadow stick is the cream of the crop. It easily glides onto lids and stays in place for up to 8 hours. Then we have the Dermalogica powder. Shine up the trophy. We've got a winner. When mixed with warm water, this rice-based powder gently exfoliates skin, leaving it smoother and brighter. This is award-winning, and oh wow, it was chosen for one of my skin concerns, which is redness. Oh, well, that's cool. Then we have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This cleanser is anything but washed up. The formula removes dirt and makeup without stripping the skin of essential moisture, and this is a bestseller. And then my bonus item was, in fact, the Amika 3D Voluming and Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. And it says, give hair a boost with this dynamic duo that plumps strands from the root to tip and enhances natural shine. Very nice. I am pleasantly surprised by this. I usually do a try-on, but I was super excited when I got home and just opened up the box. So I'm still have my makeup on from work, so I won't be doing that. But I will definitely do the try-on portion next month. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you've already given it a thumbs up and you would like to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below. And if you've already subscribed and you would like to get a notification every time I post a new video, then go ahead and hit the post notification icon. I really hope to see you in a new video soon. Take care. Bye.